Hello students, myself Sheikh SS from Physics department. Today we are going to learn the problems on chapter wave optics paper first. So first problem is like this. What must be the ratio of the slit width to the wavelength for a single slit to have the first diffraction minimum at 45 degree? So first of all, after reading the problem, we will find out what should be given in the problem and what should be find out here. So given quantity is 45 degree, that is theta is given here. Okay, and we have to find out the ratio of the slit width. So given, we will write first given, that means theta is equal to what? 45 degree. Now 45 degree we will convert it into radian, that is pi by 4 radian, like this. Means degree will be converted into radian. And what should we have? We have to find here, that means ratio of the slit width. I will write here the ratio of slit width to wavelength of light. That means A upon lambda we have to find out. Now formula for this problem solving, that is formula theta is equal to, we know the formula theta is equal to lambda upon A. Now we know the value of theta here. What is the value of theta given? That is pi by 4 radian. So substitute value instead of theta, that is pi by 4 is equal to lambda upon A. Now inverse this both quantity by inversing this pi by 4 and A upon lambda. What we get here? That is A upon lambda is equal to 4 by pi is equal to same 4 as it is. Now what is the value of pi? That is 3.142. This is the value of pi. After solving this sum, we will get like this. That is A upon lambda is equal to 1.27. This is our final answer. Make it box like this. Last answer is like this. Now this sum will be calculated by log calculation. You will solve the log calculation here. After the log of 4 minus log of 3.142, we get this much answer. That means final answer, that is A upon lambda 1.27. So we will write like this final. Therefore the ratio of the slit width to wavelength of light used is 1.27. This is our answer. Okay. Now students, second problem, see here. I will write here second problem. First of all, we will read the problem and then write what are the given quantities and what should we have to find out. See, the optical path of ray of light of a given wavelength traveling a distance of 3 cm in flint glass having refractive index, Ri means refractive index 1.6, is same as that on traveling a distance x centimeter through a medium having refractive index 1.25. Determine the value of x. So we have to find out value of x. So what are given quantities here? That means distance d1 is given. d1 is equal to 3 centimeter. Then n1 that is refractive index, that is 1.6. See here, 1.6. For the wavelength traveling distance 3 centimeter means distance is 3 centimeter and wavelength is 1.6. And second refractive index, that should be also given, that means 1.25. Okay, now next we have to find out the optical path. Second one is we have to find out the optical path. Optical path in medium second. In medium second. Bracket in, we have to find out d2. We have to find out d2. Now d1 is given, n1 is given, n2 is also given, and we have to find out distance d2. Now for this, we know the formula for this. What is the formula? That means n1 d1 is equal to n2 d2. Now substitute all values. Those are known. d1 we know, n1 also known. 1.6 into d1, that is 3, is equal to n2 1.25, and d2 we don't know, so write as it is. Okay, now next line, d2 is equal to 1.6 into 3 upon 1.25. After solving this sum, that means multiplication and division, we get last answer. That means d2 is equal to 3.84 centimeter. This is the last answer. Now we will write like this. Last one, how we write? Therefore, the value of x is equal to 3.84 centimeter. Okay, get it? Now next problem. Okay, see, third problem. A parallel beam of green light of wavelength 546 nm, nm means nanometer, passes through a slit of width 0.4 millimeter. The intensity pattern of the transmitted light is seen on a screen which is 40 centimeter away. What is the distance between two first minima? Now in this problem, what should be given here? Given, that is wavelength is given, then width is given, and distance, that is screen distance, is given. Now we have to find out the next one, that is distance. Distance between two first order minima, that should be find out here. We have to find out here. Now next, see here, width of the formula, that is width of central maxima. Then what is the formula for width of the central maxima? That is W, that is width, and for central, that is C, is equal to 2 lambda D upon A. Now substitute all values. We know 2 as it is. 2 into lambda, that is 546 into 10 raised to minus 9 into 40 into 10 raised to minus 2 upon A, that is 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 3. So first of all, students, we will solve this 10 power. 10 raised to minus 9, 10 raised to minus 2 means 10 raised to minus 11. And when 10 raised to minus 3 goes upwards, it will be 10 raised to plus 3. Means this conversion becomes, and multiplication factor, this 40 and 0.4. We will write like this: 2 into 546 into 10 raised to minus 6 is equal to, multiply this much two quantity, that is 1092 into 10 raised to minus 6. If we shift the decimal point 3, see here, 1.092 into 10 raised to how much? If we shift decimal point towards left, then reduce this factor, that is 3. म्हणजे मुलांना काय, ज्यावेळेस आपण डेसिमल पॉइंट 3 घरं इकडे शिफ्ट करतो डावीकडे, त्यावेळेस 10 ची पॉवर 3 ने कमी झाली. सो फायनल आन्सर इज लाईक दिस, 1.1 millimeter. This is meter. I will convert it into millimeter. So last answer is like this. Therefore distance between two first order minima is 1.1 millimeter. Okay student, thanks.